what you'll need is cauliflower, vegan cheese, hot sauce, crackers, and cream cheese. So the first step is to cut the cauliflower into bite-sized pieces, and I think we decided that we're gonna steam them.
Yeah.
And then get on with the rest of the recipe. Okay, let's go. I'm a really good cutter.
Obviously.
Jesus. Done. Oh my God, this is Let's steam the cauliflower. Beautiful. We'll do that for 10 minutes. Want to try our vegan cheeses? I was thinking, because the recipe that I remember, since I'm using my aunt's old recipe, try to make like a version of it, and it called for blue cheese, but I don't even remember what blue cheese tastes like. So I was thinking that this one might sub for blue cheese.
And that would make it more like buffalo chicken.
Yeah, so I want to try this one because I don't even remember what it tastes like. So try that one and tell me.
It's good.
Let me see your face.
It's good. It's like more, it's kind of like cream cheese.
Kind of like cream cheese also. So this one is miyokos. I've given you this kind once before, but you never had this flavor. What do you think?
That's like blue cheesy.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I don't even remember what it tastes like anymore. I used to love blue cheese. Like,
Really good.
it is good.
That's
It's a
really
cheese
good.
wrapped in a fig leaf. It's really good. You think that tastes like blue cheese?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe. Or I should use some of that.
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna use a little bit of that too. Should we use the cashew one also?
I think all of them together would be good.
Look at that. That's why it's good to make recipes after Christmas, because you always have a bunch of miscellaneous things that you can throw in.
Yeah, that tastes like blue cheese.
Good.
Mm.
Let's mix up the cream cheese, the regular cheeses, and the hot sauce in a bowl. That is so good. The Ritz crackers add so much. That's so good. I can't even taste exactly how we used to make it. I strain the cauliflower.
It looks so good. Mm-hmm.
It really does. Should we top it with a little bit more of this cheese?
Yeah.
Okay. This is optional. I don't know if this is making it look really weird or... I'm gonna put just the rest of the chao cheese that we have in the oven, 15 minutes, 350. Okay, Laura, you ready to give it a taste?
I'm ready.
Oh my God. It smells really good.
Mm.
It's good.
Mm.
Mm.
It's good.
It's really good.
I like it.
Mm. I think I would drizzle some hot sauce on top too, just
That's
to
what
give it like an
yeah.
extra kick. I would make it cauliflower rice instead of chunks of cauliflower, because I think more people, like if you're giving it to people who don't like vegetables, I think they like it better. They would like it like this, but they'd like it better if they didn't
Didn't know,
realize
yeah,
that there was
this.
any vegetables in it.
Right.
because there's definitely chunks of cauliflower. This is really good.
I'm taking some to go.
And I would say the chao cheese, it doesn't melt, so I don't really think that you would need it. You could just leave it out. If you want to get like an expensive cheese, you don't really need another cheese to put in. Like you could use daiya if you want to and just mix it in place of the fancy cheeses that we use. But if you want to make it like really special, the miyokos cheese and the fig leaf, that really adds a lot to it. If you just want to use that one cheese, that'd be really good.
Tastes exactly like blue cheese.
Yeah, I used to eat, oh my god. This is the one thing that I would ask for when my family would come down or when I would go up there. So good. This would be perfect for like a Super Bowl party too.
You wouldn't even know you're not even eating any milk.
No, you would not know. Shout out to Kite Hill cream cheese. You the bomb. You taste just like cream cheese. I love you. So Lori, this or regular chicken?
I think they're on the same level.
Yeah. They're interchangeable, I would say.
Yeah, definitely. Because it's like, it's more for the chickens in there for more like bite, you know? Like,
Yeah.
So it's not like mushy. And like that's what the cauliflower is doing, so it tastes really good.
Okay. I'm gonna have to take this away from you, Lauren.
So sad!
Pretty good.
Yes, pretty good.
Tastes good in fact. Kind of tastes just like the other one.